just got 8 inches of snow the other day, so definitely not working up at the building. I'm down here. I want to get the floors in so I can put these French doors back in here. When I get the French doors in, I'll be able to put the beadboard in and cover up all this ugliness. And also, here's a picture of the wood countertops I've made. I brought them down here, mitered the corners, got them situated and fitted right, and measured for where the sink is going to go. I got those back at the house. I'm going to CNC the sinkhole out, bring that back down here, install those, then I'll be able to put the backsplash in and pretty much paint the ceiling, and change out this ugly light, crown molding around the cabinets, put the cabinet doors back on. There's a lot to do. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is laying out this vapor barrier. We'll get that laid out through the whole kitchen. This kitchen's about 140 square feet minus the cabinets, so that should leave me enough extra, I'm hoping, to do the whole kitchen. So get this vapor barrier down, and then I can start laying the first rows. Alright, vapor barrier is down. Let's start laying rows. right, I got it all done. I'm super happy with it. That's all for today. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Next time I'm down here, I'll either do the countertops or the beadboard walls. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned to find out.